after I go through all this for 5 weeks, okay, and it's so fun, and there are so many things I learn, and my vocal also improve. I'm so eager to learn and speak English, to teach English in my class, and after this, I hope, because the program is end, and I hope I'm not stuck here because I'm scared I will back to my old Liana. Before my expression, there are so many questions. Can I do that? Am I on right track? Because we are so very busy, especially in Shader, our tasks, and so many, especially as a wife, as a mother. So there are so many things to think, but after and during